Hello everyone. So we will discuss about history of Jangkepan from time to time. Okay, what is the Jangkepan? The Jangkepan is a form of traditional marriage in Balinese society. This tradition involves strong participation from families and customary community, meaning that marriage is seen not only as a personal matter, but also as a social and cultural institution. In practice, Jejakapan often prioritize families' interests over individual choice.
Okay, guys, next I will tell you guys. About the Jangkepan in the pre-colonial era. In the pre-colonial era, around the 8th to 15th centuries AD, Balinese society lived in a communal social system. Marriage was viewed as a way to maintain harmony within the customary village and to preserve family lineage. Jejangkepan developed as a social mechanism that was considered normal as a communal interest were valued more highly than individual interests. In this context, traditional marriage developed as an integral part of Balinese social life.
Now, Jejangkepan in the colonial era, during the colonial period, perspective on Jejangkepan began to change. The colonial government introduced with the last civil generation, which influenced how traditional practices were evaluated. Although Jejangkepan was often seen conflicting with Western value. The traditional conflict as long it not social conflict.
Okay, and then Jangkepan in the post-independent era. After Indonesia gained independence, the state developed a national legal system that emphasized the consent of both partners. The marriage law of 1974 reject any form of forced marriage. As a result, the Jangkepan became a controversial practice, although it continued to exist with certain adjustment at the local level.
Okay, now let's talk about Jejangkepan in the Reform and Modern era. In the Reform and Modern era, issues of human rights and gender equality have become more prominent. Jejangkepan has been criticized for potentially violating individual rights, especially those of women. However, customary communities have begun to reinterpret the tradition by emphasizing dialogue and mutual consent to keep it relevant today.
Okay guys, the last is conclusion. The Jangkepan reflect the dynamic relationship between Balinese tradition and modern legal values. To remain relevant, the tradition must prioritize consent, fairness, and respect for individual rights. Okay, guys, that's all about our presentation about the Jangkepan from time to time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.